It's coming along. The seeds are coming along. Alright, today we're going to bring some live aquarium plants, and these are the actual seeds that we're going to set up on the aquarium. I'm going to make it look nice and luscious in here with all these plants and organisms in here. So it's going to help the actual plant growth, especially if you put the right soil. And I mix it up with sand. It makes a great combination. I had a lot of success growing my own plants in the aquascaping into something similar to this. We're gonna put some dry wood in there, floating wood, water wood, and then some filters, and make sure everything's nice and set up before we actually start putting our fish in there. So all right, we combine the seeds with the soil. Week 1, seeds are coming in. They're spreading everywhere. All right, I just introduced shrimp into my tank, and look at these guys. They are loving it. The plants are growing awesome on this system. All right, just to let you guys know, they're really growing really nice and beautiful. Not only that, but you're also getting them on the actual tree stump. They're also getting them on the piece of wood. If you guys can see, they're growing there. I'm gonna zoom in as much as I can, but they are growing awesomely, these seeds. And look at this, how fast they're growing. And I'm making an ecosystem here. Of course, I got my shrimp right here, and look at this. They're cleaners of the ocean most of the times. They just clean up, but it's looking beautifully, like down at the bottom.